We're all told to be smart with our money. But what on earth does that actually mean? So today, we're going to cut through all that noise, all that jargon, and give you a simple but really powerful toolkit for your financial future. Let's jump right in.
Seriously, think about it. It doesn't matter if you're saving up for a car or you're already thinking about retirement. This is the question, right? We all just want to feel confident that we're making the best possible choices with our hard-earned cash. And that's exactly what we're going to dig into.
And look, the answer isn't some secret formula only a few people know. It's actually a skill, and it's called financial management. Think of it like this. It's like trying to navigate a brand new city. You could just wander around hoping for the best, or you could use a map to get exactly where you want to go. Well, financial management, that's your map. Okay, first things first. Before you can win any game, you have to know the rules. So our first big pillar is all about understanding the financial system. You can think of it as the game board where all the action takes place.
So, what is this system, really? Well, think about it this way. When you put money into a savings account, it's not just sitting in some dusty old vault. Nope. You're actually lending it to the bank. And then the bank turns around and lends it to someone else, maybe to buy a house or start a new business. That's the financial system in a nutshell, this huge network connecting people who have money with people who need it.
And in this game, you've got your key players. You've got the stock exchange, where you can literally own a tiny piece of your favorite companies. You've got the banking system, which is like the fuel for the whole economy. And you've got insurance companies, which are there to protect you from financial disasters. And trust me, understanding how these guys work isn't just for the pros on Wall Street, it's absolutely essential for anyone who wants to build a secure future.
All right, so you know the rules of the game. Now it's time to actually play. Our second pillar is all about making your moves. Because in the world of finance, let me tell you, you are not just a spectator on the sidelines. You are the star player. Just think about your last trip to the grocery store. Did you stick to your budget, or did that fancy cheese kind of call your name? See, every single day, you're making decisions about how much to spend. And believe me, those little decisions have a huge impact on your future. Because it's not just about what you buy today, it's also about where you're putting your money for tomorrow.
And for how long you're going to keep it there. These aren't just one-and-done questions, right? They're like the constant rhythm, the drumbeat of your financial journey. And here's the really exciting part. You are in the driver's seat. The quality of your answers to these questions, that's what's going to shape your financial future. Every smart decision you make today is like another brick building the foundation for the life you really want tomorrow. And hey, want to know a little secret? The skills you use to manage your own money are the exact same skills a CFO uses to manage a multi-billion-dollar company. The only difference is the scale. So, if you can master your personal finances, you've already mastered a core principle of business. How cool is that?
Okay, so you know the system, and you're making smart moves. Now it's time to really level up. Our third and final pillar is all about growing your power, and that means making the financial system work for you, not the other way around. This right here, this is a total game changer for your mindset. The goal isn't just about protecting your money or just managing it, no. The real goal is to put it to work. It's about turning your savings into a powerful engine for building wealth. And this is your roadmap for building that engine. First, you've got to learn the basic principles of investing. Then, you learn how to actively manage your assets. And finally, you put it all together in what's called a diversified portfolio, which is really just a fancy way of saying you don't put all your eggs in one basket. It's about spreading things out to stay safe. So let's recap. We've covered our 3 pillars: know the game, make your moves, and grow your power. Now, let's take those ideas and actually build something with them. Let's build your personal financial toolkit.
When you strip everything else away, this entire world of finance, everything we've talked about, it really just boils down to 3 essential tools for your kit. So first, you need a map to help you navigate the financial world with confidence. Second, you need a compass, a framework to guide your decisions and keep you pointed in the right direction. And third, you need an engine, a strategy to power your growth and launch your wealth to whole new heights. And really, that's the bottom line. This isn't just some abstract lesson. It's a call to action. You now have the keys to unlock your own financial future. The only question is, are you ready to open the door? So, I'll leave you with this. Imagine you're standing at a crossroads. You have the map, you have the compass,
and you have the engine. The only question left is, where do you want to go? What's going to be the first step on your new financial journey?